हे मैं पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ। हाय, मैं एक कवि हूँ। मैं भावना में डूबने वाला इंसान हूँ। मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ। मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ। मैं कविता लिखना चाहता हूँ। मैं कविता लिखना चाहता हूँ। मैं एक भावना में डूबने वाला इंसान हूँ। मैं काटना चाहता हूँ। मैं गर्दन काटना चाहता हूँ, अपनी नहीं, तुम्हारी। मैं चाटना चाहता हूँ। सच में मैं गुड़ चाटना चाहता हूँ। गुड़ चाटना चाहता हूँ। Seriously, I'm not joking. This time I really want. This is raw sugar. We say gud. Ah, no, I didn't cut. I'll talk to you later. Let me first finish this. Rather than cutting that thing, why don't I cut my beard? मैं काटना चाहता हूँ। मैं दाढ़ी काटना चाहता हूँ। राइट? मैं दाढ़ी काटना चाहता हूँ। Oh, let me finish, then I'll be back, right, in this video. अनिल, आप नीचे वाला बाल काटना चाहते हैं? नीचे वाला बाल. Sorry. Hey, how are you doing? So in this presentation we're going to learn how to add object while asking or while just making a sentence you want, and that's right. So initially what we learned, I want apple. मैं सेब चाहता हूँ. I want to go. I want to play. But we never used an object. Now here we're going to add an object, like I want to eat apple. I want to play football. I want to go Switzerland, right? So those things we're going to learn. So where to put object? Let's learn. Alright, so here our sentence structure is 1 2 plus verb infinitive plus object. This is in English. Okay, remember that. And in Hindi it's just opposite, because the verb and the object just get exchanged. You know, in English object comes at last, but in Hindi object comes at first, verbs comes at last. Alright, so मैं plus object plus to infinitive verb, alright, plus चाहता हूँ, चाहती हूँ. चाहता हूँ is for the male, चाहती हूँ is for the female. Alright, remember that. So our sentence structure is simple. Alright, I want to and then plus verb infinitive plus object. Initially we just learned to say I want to and then verb, like I want to play, I want to go, I want to move, I want to dance, I want to sing, like that. But now we're going to add some object after that. That's the benefit of this video. Alright, let's take an example. Right, मैं सेब खाना चाहता हूँ or चाहती हूँ. I don't think I have to repeat when to use चाहता हूँ and when to use चाहती हूँ. Simple. One more time I'm telling. चाहता हूँ for the male, चाहती हूँ for the female. Okay, so here मैं, if you see in the structure, मैं is the subject here, object is here सेब, object, you know, the thing about which we're discussing. Right, खाना is here to eat. Okay, and these things rest of this. So मैं सेब खाना चाहता हूँ और चाहती हूँ. Another example, मैं स्कूल जाना चाहता हूँ. I'm a male. मैं स्कूल जाना चाहता हूँ. So here object is school, where we are heading, you know, where we are going. We're going to school, right? So initially we learned I want to go. Now we're going to learn, we learned now actually I want to go to school. We just added how to add school and where to add. We learned it. Alright, so you have to add the object just before the all verbs. Right, see where is the verbs and just before that put the object. Simple concept. Right, so here मैं कार चलाना चाहता हूँ. Initially what we learned, I want to drive, but now we're going to add I want to drive car. So where to put that car in Hindi sentence? In Hindi car is called car, flat. Alright, so मैं कार चलाना चाहता हूँ. Alright, और चाहती हूँ. Let's go one more sentence. मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. All right, doctor means doctor in Hindi. All right, doctor, oh doctor साहब क्या हाल है? Anyway, so मैं doctor बनना चाहता हूँ. I think this sentence is really useful, very useful. You can use this sentence in a very powerful way. Well, you can make a lot of sentences like मैं doctor बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं engineer बनना चाहता हूँ. Engineer we say अभियंता, but people use engineer more here. मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं हीरो बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं मॉडल बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं रेडियो जॉकी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं वीडियो जॉकी बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं गायक बनना चाहता हूँ, गायिका फॉर द फेमिनाइन, मैं डांसर बनना चाहता हूँ, whatever, you know, like there are so many cases that you can make from this. This is really useful sentence. All right, lock it in the brain. Yeah, see, तुम गायक बनना चाहते हो. I have already told you the use of I want to and you want to. All right. So तुम गायक बनना चाहते हो, and if you're saying to a female, तुम गायिका बनना चाहती हो. गायक is a male form and गायिका is the female singer, right? So female singer गायिका, male singer गायक. Remember that. You got one more word vocabulary here. तुम डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हो. तुम डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हो. All right. तुम डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. लॉयर कभी मत बनना. Never became a lawyer. Anyways, exercise time. All right, अभ्यास. I'm giving you very simple this time. मैं मंदिर जाना. मंदिर is temple. जाना means to go. So मैं मंदिर जाना. What? Write it down in the comment section below. मैं हिंदी सीखना. हिंदी, you know, सीखना means to learn. So मैं हिंदी सीखना. Now here I'm just telling you one thing. गृह कार्य करना. गृह कार्य means homework. करना means to do. So who, what subject brings who at the last? If you take a look seriously, the answer is just above the line. Anyway, so मैं प्यार जानू, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ. मैं तुमसे प्यार करना. मैं भारत घूमना. Yeah, this sentence is very like very time. So many times I see in the comment section and in my messages and in my emails. मैं भारत घूमना चाहता हूँ, मैं भारत घूमना चाहती हूँ, ये मेरी बचपन की सपना है, like a dream from childhood, blah blah blah. Like, you know, the most of the Indians see the dream to go abroad. I wish you will not make mistake in this sentence when doing while doing the exercise in the comment section. All right, मैं भारत घूमना. Write it down, please correctly. मैं पत्र लिखना. All right, so likhna, what? All right, one thing. You guys are really doing great. Seriously, thank you so much.